Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In a Kotlin series, today we are going to learn the set collection or mutable set collection in Kotlin. Let us start. Here we are taking a roll number example. Set, and here we have roll number of integer type. Then we have set of. Here we are passing a value like roll number 23, 34, then 23, then 34, then 56, then 78, then 45, then 45, then 78. So these are set of values as a roll number. Then we are using a for loop. To display this information. If I run this, it will remove all duplicate elements because it's a set. You see, only 123, 34 one time, 56 one time, 78 one time, 45 one time. But here if we see, we have 23, 34, 23, 34, 56, 45, 45, 78. We have unique, we have a we don't have a unique number here. We have 78 two time, 45 two time, 23 4 two time, 34 two time. But here we are having only one time. So set is a collection of unique elements. So whatever we are giving here, it will display unique elements. And because it's a set, so it is an immutable type. We cannot modify, delete or anything in this set. But if I want to add some more element or I want to remove some element from this set, I have to put the mutable class. So mutable set. Here also mutable set of. So now mutable set of. Oh, sorry. So this is the mutable set of. Same output right now. See, same output. But here we can add some more element like roll number dot add, because it's immutable. I say 100. Okay. And if I run this, 100 will be added at the end of the list. You see, if I want to remove any element, so I can remove also roll number dot remove. Condition we can put if remove if it means any element is equal to 23. So now 23 will be removed from the list. Like this. If you want to remove any more element, you can remove also roll number dot remove any specific element. I can give here, for example, 56 I want to remove. I can give 56 and will remove from the list. Like this. So this is the example of set or mutable set, means immutable and mutable set examples in Kotlin. If you want to read more in collections, you can go to my app. It's called Learn Kotlin with Zero Efforts on Google Play Store. This app is running very good. Within a month, more than 100 installations is available. So if you want to learn, you can get there and you can learn in detail about the collections or other Kotlin exam topic also. See you for next time.